Hi, hi, hi. Namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma ngokumisa ama-trade. Mhlampe umise i-trade and you know you feel bad about it. Ayikho into ongayitshintsha ngaleyo nto. The only thing that you can do from that time forward is to be more adhering to the rules lezo onazo ze-trading. So let's say if utrade i-London session, focus ku-London session. Uma-London session ifika, try and stop zonke ezinye izinto lezo oziyenzayo and focus on the charts for that time frame. May NY session ifika nayo focusa kuleyo if that's what you're trading. Yabona, so here just a message that bengifuna ukukhuluma ngayo namhlanje because that's what happened to me today. I missed two sessions, London and NY session. Mara nakhona, there's always something to learn. As a trader, that's the mindset you always have to have. What can I learn from the situation? What is it trying to show me? You understand? So that's literally what I learned from that. It just showed me Uguti. I need to be more wary of that, be more understanding of that. Yeah, one. So, anyways, I'm looking forward to the new week. Hopefully it's going to be a good one. So over a corner. Probably ngizoyenza video back tester kusasa because I haven't been doing back testing this week like I said I would be. So I'm gonna have to do back testing for basically the whole week. So usually, let's just say I'll be back testing one setup a day. So I have to do 5 back tests tomorrow to wrap up for the week, and then that's it. Yeah, that's how we cover up for that. But anyways, ngiyabonga muthatha isikhathi sokubuka le video and sharp.